Okay, a little disclaimer before the video starts. My stuff ain't showing up. My menu where I can basically import a local script and stuff. So you probably should see that, and I think I explained good enough so you can find it. But if I don't, let me know in the comments, and I'm sorry for it. I don't know why these technical difficulties keep hitting me, but yeah. Hey guys, it's Phoenix Blux here, and today I want to show you guys how to make an opening and closing basically script or button. Now this is very important to learn, and this is kind of what I want to put under basics, and I want to teach the basics because you really need this if you want to like go further in making games. It can use for like a shop if you want to close it and all that kind of stuff, just a bunch of things you can use it. It's very useful. So the first thing I want you guys to do is go up here at the top and press on view. Now when you're in here, make sure you have properties and explore. Now I like to have input because it kind of shows down here or wherever you have it what's wrong with the script. Basically, like, this is not a function. For example, here, no like script, blah blah blah. Now, so the first thing you want to do is go here to start GUI, press this little button beside it, and press screen GUI. Now do that again with the screen GUI, press right here, and then you want to make a button. Now this can be an image button. Be creative. It's basically the same other than a little bit change in script. But if you guys want me to make a short video about how to change it with to a what is it called, to an image button, just let me know down the description or down in the comments. So now we had the button. You can customize this as much as you want. I'm just gonna call it open. Just press text scale. You can make it different font. You can pause the video right here just to make it your form, your thing. So okay, when you have done that, go here to this screen GUI and do the same thing with the little plus right beside it and add a frame or an image. Again, this is up to yourself, because I'm going to teach the script and why it does why it do what it does. Yeah, so you can just change it if you feel like it. Okay, so now when we have this GUI, I'm not gonna do too much. You can add things under this GUI, it doesn't matter, because we can add some text, scale this, call it open. Seems about right. There you go. Okay, doesn't matter what you put in the frame, at least you have a frame holding everything. That's what you want to do. So now here comes the hardest part of the thing, or this whole thing. So what you want to do is go to your text button, press this thing, this little plus thing right beside it, and add a local script. Now, if you can't find it here or scroll down and can't find it, just search up here. Search LOC, and it should come up as one of the first things. Looks like this. By the way, this works for R15. That's very important because some scripts doesn't work on R15. I'm pretty sure this also work as R6. So just so you guys know, it should work, and if it doesn't, you probably did something wrong. But we're here to learn. So what you want to do is first delete this print hello world. You want to say script dot parent dot text button dot mouse one click, put these colon things, and then put connect. In here you want to say function and then end up with one of these brackets. Boom. Now it should look like this, your script, and you're almost there. Actually, it doesn't take much scripting, for you to do this. And by the way, when I learned this technique, because I've learned this from other people and stuff, this text button, that's basically the name of the button. So if you have multiple buttons under the same thing, I would, if I was you, I would make like button B. And if I made this button B, just go up here in text button, put a B. So it's the same thing. It should automatically come up if you type text, and it should show text button. But that's just a little tip for you guys. Okay, so under here, or I almost forgot, this basically detects if basically if you click this button. So now what you want to happen, you need to write under it. So what we want to do is write script dot parent that's my bad dot frame. Basically frame is our frame, yeah, basically this one. So if you have multiple frames, called frame B, just so it matches. Then we want to see dot visible, put space, equal sign, and then make sure it's true. Now the difference between true and false is basically true. Visible equals true. That means that you can see it. It's visible. Now visible is off. This is visible equals false. This is what happens if visible equals false. But if we turn that into a true, it will look like this. So you want to make sure that this frame, or your frame, has its visible off, so we can open it. Now that's just the first part, but now we want it to show again. Because what you want to do here, this is for the closing script. Pretty much the same, but go into your frame B, press here, and press text button. This is basically gonna be a close-up button. You can put this anywhere. Put it up in the corner. I'm just gonna put text as X and make it scaled. So you can see it's a button. So yeah, under that you basically wanna make another local script, and the local script is pretty much the same. So I'm just gonna speedrun this. Okay guys, so this is the script. So what I've done here is basically, I don't think this is important, but basically it's script.parent.text button .mouse button one click connect function. Script.parent.parent. We added another parent. .frame .visible equals false. So you can't see it no more. Okay, so we're in here, Roblox Studio. Let's test it out. So now you see we open, we have it right here. No dragging around, no nothing. And let's close it. Boom. You can even add sounds. Tell me in the comments if you guys want me to do that, or teach you guys how to do that. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. Have a great day, great life, and remember to subscribe and like.